Hi, I'm Olie from Flitz. I'm here today to talk about all the marine care products that we manufacture now at Flitz. Flitz Polish is what made us famous, which is actually a polishing cream like this. Now it comes in different sizes, comes in tubes and cans, but we're going to show you here today, the Paste Pride is I call it Mercedes-Benz of our line. Now one of the things I want to show you today is on bow rails, your stanchions, your cleats, everything, all your marine hardware. You know, it's either stainless steel, polished chrome, polished aluminum, or even I'll call it anodized aluminum, anodized finishes. Now, Flitz is safe in all those finishes. And the cool thing is you can use Flitz by hand, or you can use it with a power buffer like this. And before I get to the buffer, I want to show you some quick show and tell by hand. We're going to do a little piece of stainless steel here. I just want to give you an example when you do this on a stainless steel stanchion like this. So you can put the Flitz on, and I'm going to use actually a bamboo wipe. This is pretty cool. These actually look like paper. They're soft, but they're a little more abrasive than a cloth, and they're washable. That's the cool thing about it. All environment friendly. When you put this on by hand, this takes off the oxidation, anything from sun, salt spray, and everything else. You can take off the black oxide. In most cases, especially in salt water, you can get a little surface rust. Because stainless steel is exactly what it says: stainless, not stain proof. Anybody who owns a boat, you know exactly what I'm saying. You can have the best quality stainless steel, you're still going to have surface rust and things. But the Flitz will bring it out to a mirror finish. The best part about it is when moisture hits this, I'll put a little water on over here. I have a little water bottle with a hole poked into it, just to give you an example how well this seals it. This protective coating is good for at least 2 to 3 months in salt water. We guarantee this finish in salt water for 2 to 3 months. My own boat in Florida, I have it underneath the canopy all year long. But being on a Gulf like that with all the salt air, you're going to get oxidation, and I do get a little surface rust. When I come back after 6 months, if I'm gone all summer long and I come back in the fall, that boat definitely needs a little attention. But it's powder rust. It comes off super easy. The Flitz is a great product. It's not a miracle worker by no means, but it definitely will restore and bring everything back. That's the main thing about Flitz. It's a restoration product. Now, for those of you with the bigger boats, especially if you have tuna towers and different things like that, your every area is large. This is a buff ball. And if you notice this shaft is hex shaped. This is designed hex shaped for a reason. All our competitors are round shafts like a finger, and they'll spin, especially when you put pressure on them. These will not. These are industrial grade polishing tools. They're made of viscose felt. They do not tear up like foam or anything like that. They're washable. This buffer has this shroud built into it that you can close up, so when you put in the wash machine, it's not going to ruin the machine itself. So it protects it. Plus, when you put this on a drill, it also protects the drill shroud from scratching anything. Again, these are very fluffy, so they bring in air. And one of the things I'm going to show you as you use this buffer is going to get into areas you can't normally get into very easily. And on this stanchion here is probably the best example. I'm just going to hold this up because, of course, we're not on a regular boat right now, but when you're doing something like this, you're smearing your Flitz on top, either with a finger or a rag. Some people dab it in, take a paintbrush, put it around different ways. Take your buffer to it and work it like a railroad car. Work at slow speed first to apply it, like I'm doing right here. Once you apply it, you can actually do it from the other side here too. Now you can see what I mean by a railroad car, how it works. You're actually cleaning half the rail at one time. We actually sell it like this for cruise ships, for hotels, casinos. They do all kinds of railings and things with it. Now the faster you run, the better job it'll do. And you'll see in a couple seconds how fast it brings that rail back. It's like a mirror. So it's not much work involved, and when you have hundreds of feet of railing, it's a lot easier using the buffer. Definitely makes a lot less work. I'm going to take a dry cloth here, wipe it off one more time, and you're done. So that's an example on stainless steel. And that could be, again, like I said, polished stainless, it could be a brushed stainless steel, it could be anodized aluminum. And this is definitely safe on anodized finishes. Very few products you'll notice when you read a labeling what they're safe on. One thing about Flitz, it's safe on all finishes. All our products I'm going to show you today are environment friendly. We're a very green friendly company, and the products we make represent that. Now, when you're doing chrome, like a cleat like this, again, very simple idea. And of course, I'm holding my hand right now, but the buffer, as you can see, covers the entire cleat just a couple seconds. It gets between the screws and everything like that. It doesn't harm anything. It actually polishes the fiberglass right around it the same way, so it just makes your job super easy when you're trying to do large areas.